circles was just try without music. Remember, it's walk, shuffle, step, walk, walk, shuffle, step, walk. Okay, right foot, and then we'll just keep going. Ready? And walk, shuffle, step, walk, walk, shuffle, step, walk. Line with a cross, line with a cross, step touch. Walk in. 1, 2, Charleston. And back, back, pivot, pivot, shuffle, jazz, jazz, jazz. Okay, the hardest thing is when you come back out. So let's go in slowly. We're going to walk in. 1, 2, 3, kick, Charleston. Now we're going to walk back in a rock recover. Pivot a half, shuffle, jazz box, jazz box. When we get there, everything's fine. Okay, let's try walking in again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, kick, Charleston, and back. Now we're going to turn, pivot, and shuffle, jazz, jazz, jazz. All right, there we go. Okay, people that were in, you were in, right? In, who else was in? Somebody else.
I was in one.
Oh, no, yeah, we were in. All right.
I was when we started.
All right.
But we've gone backwards.
So that's 5. That's good. Okay, that's 5. That's good. So kind of get our circle.
Yeah, make you
The
circle.
outside circle.
You're on the inside.
Yeah, I'm on the inside. Yeah. So you're over here. Okay. All right. Now let's try it. Ready? And walk, shuffle, step, walk, walk, shuffle, step, walk, line. And step, touch, back, pivot, shuffle, jazz, jazz, and walk. Okay. Let's do it. I'm going to come out to the outside. Let's try the full side.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. No, I'm not doing it. I'm videoing it so I can learn it.
Okay. Middle circle back up. Just back up. Just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Good. Thank you. All right. Here we go. And walk, shuffle, step, walk, walk,
Shuffle, step.
walk. Turn around. Pivot, shuffle, jazz, jazz, jazz.
We got too far.
Yeah. Okay. So inside.